First up, let's take a quick look at what the markets are up to, and well, it's just a bit of a crack from the day's high is what we are witnessing, but still holding on above 11,300 with just gains of 0.2% left on the benchmarks. Let's run you through the big movers and shakers today in trade, and of course all eyes are on the pharma space where we are seeing quite a rapid rally come by. But before that, let me touch upon Tata Steel. We have had the management conference call that was just held a couple of hours ago. And there seems to be, a spike that's coming in the stock. Mr. T.V. Narendran has said that things are definitely improving. They've already taken a price hike of roughly about 2,000 to 2,500 rupees per ton in the last couple of weeks. And now it looks like there is room for more price increases for the rest of the quarter. And still, the prices are below COVID levels. Furthermore, they are saying that there's no longer any pressure on inventory anywhere. The export market is as well strong. And now that most of the primary producers are operating at 100% capacity, they have the option to choose between both the recovery that's being witnessed in domestic markets to sell in that market, and of course even the export market, which thanks to China's V-shaped recovery is strong as ever. Sharp spike in Tata Steel stock price. Moving on, let's take a look at what Lupin is up to. It's back above 1,000 rupees for the first time since 2017. We are also witnessing a massive momentum come by in the F&O market, with the open interest up 16%, indicating that there is fresh long build-up being witnessed here. A small cap company that I would like to flag off is Redington India. The stock price is doing extremely well. We have brokerages as well pretty impressed with the way the company has done in Q1. Edelweiss, for one, is saying that they have executed well despite the challenging time, and hence a thumbs up coming in for Redington. And the unstoppable rally also continues in an ECLERX, which is rallying hard in trade after yesterday's double-digit gains. Today, another 12% being clocked in to ECLERX services. Remember, the Q1 numbers were recently released, and it has hit, in fact, 735 rupees intraday, which actually has spurred the stock at a 52-week high. Come off a tad bit, of course, from there, but nevertheless, the strong momentum continues. And finally, I want to flag off an Eicher Motors as well, because this is the one that's actually, in the red. The numbers were a little weakish compared to expectations. Revenues were in line, but the EBITDA loss as well as the bottom line loss, both were actually higher than expected. The management, though, has said that Royal Enfield bookings are almost back to pre-COVID levels, and inquiries, though, are higher than pre-COVID levels. So the outlook seems to be pretty optimistic, but the stock is down. Well, another big event for today is the RBI meeting, where the central bank will be considering a dividend payout. It's going to be extremely important given the fact that the government is going to need the financial muscle to battle the impact of COVID-19, on the economy.